Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to build a TikTok series that keeps people watching. Let's get started. First, choose something you can post about again and again. For example, life advice, funny stories, outfits, ratings, or mini tutorials. Keep the theme niche but fun. What you need to do is start every episode with the same catchy line, like for example, welcome to day 1 of blank, or here's part 3 of the story. Familiarity makes people stay and follow. Then, stick under 60 seconds, add part 1, then part 2, and etc. In your caption and on-screen text, say follow for part 4 at the end to tease the next post. Then, drop new parts daily or every other day. You'll create a bingable series people scroll through. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.